Imagine creating an entire YouTube automation channel just by giving commands to powerful AI tools. The best part? You don't need to be an expert graphic designer, SEO guru, or animation artist to make it happen. Get ready to blow your mind. In this video, I will teach you how to select a niche for a YouTube channel, where to find a channel name, how to set up a new channel, how to write a great SEO and channel description, how to create a logo, banner, intro, and outro by just using AI tools step by step. Watch the complete video, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Step 1. Select a niche. First of all, you will have to find a niche for your channel or videos which is more demanding and profitable on YouTube. Different things influences when selecting a YouTube niche. To select an evergreen niche, consider the following criteria. And to select a niche for high earning potential, consider the following criteria. To find that, you can go to vidiq.com and it will ask you to link your channel. After connecting your channel, you can go to AI Coach and can ask anything here related to YouTube. For now, we'll ask for 15 faceless, profitable, and in-demand YouTube channel ideas. You will get the results in a few seconds. Now you can research on every single keyword and see which category gets your attention and interest, and then select the category. For now, I'm choosing the top 10 category. Step 2. Find a channel name. Don't just settle for any old name. Go for something unique and memorable. A great channel name can help you stand out and attract more viewers. When choosing a channel name, consider the following criteria. For channel suggestions, you can use vidIQ or ChatGPT and give it commands like, "Give me some channel name ideas related to top 10 niche," and then choose anyone you like or meets the criteria. Step 3. Create a logo. Now create the logo using looka.com, gdesigns.ai, or Canva. All of these websites are user-friendly, so all you need is to select and re-edit the right template according to your choice, and you will have many choices to choose from. Just follow the steps. Step 4. Create a banner. One of the most important thing which leaves a great impact on the viewers is channel banner, because if you want to create a memorable impression on your viewers and stand out from the crowd on YouTube, then you cannot underestimate the importance of your channel banner. You can use Canva to create the channel banner. It might be a pro or free account. Visit canva.com and search YouTube channel in the search bar, and you will see a lot of templates that you can re-edit and use for your channel. Choose anyone you like and start working on it. Step 5. Set up a channel. Go to YouTube and create a new channel. Then go to YouTube Studio, Customization, Branding, and here upload the logo and banner. Use the same logo for video watermark. Now go to Basic Info and rename the handle name. Write a best channel description which will highlight or define the theme of your channel. To write the channel description, you can use ChatGPT. For example, I'm asking ChatGPT to write a best description for my top 10 YouTube channel niche. Write the best channel SEO, which will help you to grow your channel. For the channel's best SEO, you can go to keywordtool.io or dashboard.linkgraph and write your keywords related to your channel in the search bar. Then select the keyword and go to YT Studio, then setting and paste in the keyword section. After that, go to feature eligibility and verify your channel through your phone number. Step 6. Create an intro. Let's try to understand what is an intro video. Now, I'm not talking about your introduction lines. An intro video for YouTube is a short video clip that appears at the beginning of a YouTube video. It typically includes a brief introduction of the channel or the creator, and is designed to capture the viewer's attention and set the tone for the rest of the video. An intro video can range in length from a few seconds, but generally it is recommended to keep it short and sweet, between 5 to 15 seconds. You can create attractive intros on apanzoid.com and on canva.com. You can create online intros here. Go to Canva and search for intros, and there you will have many templates. Choose any one and start working on it. And if you visit Panzoid, you will see a large number of templates. And one thing I love is that you can re-edit and use it for free. After you get your intro video, make sure to add it at the start of the video. Step 7. Create an outro. Don't think of an outro as a mere farewell message or a begging for likes and subscriptions. Rather, an outro video for YouTube is a carefully crafted video clip that is strategically placed at the end of your video to provide a seamless and professional transition between your content and the end screen. You can use the same websites to create intro and outro. Yeah, I'm talking about Panzoid and Canva. Just search outro in the search bar, select a template and adjust the text and other stuff according to your needs. Hold on to your seats, folks. This is just the beginning. If you want to learn how to create a complete video using AI tools, step by step, then you're in luck. The next video is going to blow your mind. To make sure you never miss a single video like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll be the first to know when the next video drops.